we started our new part, so we continuing the questions the same on the same part. Okay, the next we do it the next question the same type as like the previous. Okay, the question is like this: solve the following pairs of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. We started the last class as this type of question, only some difference. Okay, what is the first question? 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. What is the difference of the previous and this? The previous questions, the questions containing the denominator only the variables x or y, correct? Here the denominator containing not only a single term, correct, not only a variable, is a combination of terms with variable and constants, correct. That's only the difference. Here is x minus 1 y minus 2, x minus 1 y minus 2. Okay, then if you get the question like this, always you just check the first and the second equations, the terms are equal. Like here is x minus 1, here also x minus 1, or sometimes here. Okay, that time we need to rearrange what we get it in the denominator in the first, the same to repeat in the denominator of the second. Otherwise we need to make equalize. Okay, some case we need to equalize. You will get the idea. Then now is equal, am right? Here is x minus 1, here is also x minus 1, y minus 2 and y minus 2. Everything is clear. So we starting as usual the previous. How do we start? We take one by one, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Then how do we rewrite? Therefore 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 into, okay, it's not necessary to write like this, 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, second one, how do we rewrite? 6 into 1 by x minus 1 plus minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Then now next what we take here other variable, that variable's values are 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2. Okay, in the previous question we choose there x is equal to 1 by x like that, am I right? Here only the difference, here we choose the value of u is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Okay, that's only the changes, but everything is same. Clear? So what is next? Next we choose let u is equal to 1 by x minus 1, v is equal to 1 by y minus 2. U is equal to 1 by x minus 1, v is equal to 1 by y minus 2. Therefore, how to change the equation? Yes, 5u plus v is equal to 2. V means 1v. 1v is same as v. Okay. Then 6u minus, not plus, minus 3v is equal to 1. Equation 1 and equation 2. The next we need to find the value of x, u or v, correct? We need to find the value of u or v, but here the coefficient of u are not equal, the v are not equal. Then I think to make equalizing the coefficient of v is better. അല്ലേ, ഏതാണ് ഈക്വൽ ആക്കുന്ന നല്ലത് കാണുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ട് വിൻ്റെ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് ഈക്വൽ ആക്കുന്നതാണ് ബെറ്റർ. സോ we multiply the equation 1 into 3. 5u into 3 is equal to 5u into 3 is equal to 15u, correct? 15u plus 3v is equal to 6, equation 3. And we not make any changes in the second equation, then 6u minus 3v is equal to 1, equation 2. Okay, then now the coefficient of v are equal, correct? The coefficient of v are equal but sign are different. Then what is next? We add the equation 3 and 2. Then 3 plus 2 implies, then we adding equation 1 and 2, then 1 and 2, 15u plus 6u is equal to 21u, correct? 21u. Then 3v plus minus 3v is 0, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then what is next? Next, therefore, u is equal to 7 by 21. 7 by 21 is possible to reduce. Then what we get? 1 by 3. By 3. So value of u is equal to 1 by 3. Then what is next? Substitute the value of u is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. Then what is the changes happen? Therefore, 5 into 1 by 3 plus v is equal to 2. Then 5 by 3 plus v is equal to 2. V is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Then we make it the denominator equal. Then what do you get? Or cross multiplication. 2 into 3, 6. 5 by 3 is equal to 6 minus 5, 1, 3. Here also we will get the value of v is equal to 1 by 3 and value of u is also 1 by 3, correct? Then what is next? Therefore, 1 by 3 u is equal to 1 by x minus 1. So what is u? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by minus 1. So the next cross multiplication, then what we get? X minus 1 is equal to 3. X minus 1 is equal to 3. Then x is equal to, what is next? X is equal to, we transpose minus 1, correct? Then to 3 plus 1. What is x is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, then value of x is equal to 4. Then next, v is equal to 1 by y minus 2. What is v? V is also 1 by 3. Then 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by y minus 2. Again cross multiplication, y minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, therefore solution is 4, 5. Solution is 4, 5. Okay, I think you got the idea how to we find the value of x and y, correct? Next question is like this, the same idea. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. These are the equations, correct? So here the denominator 3x plus y is here, here also 3x plus y. 3x minus y, 3x minus y. So we choose the value of u and v as 1 by 3x plus y and 1 by 3x minus y. Okay, we not included the value of u and v, the 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, then എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ മക്കളെ. എന്താണ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ നോക്കുക, രണ്ടിലും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന ടേമിനാണ് നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും എന്ത് കൊടുക്കുക, യുവും വിയും ആയിട്ട് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്നിൽ എക്സ്ട്രാ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് അവിടെ മാറ്റി വെക്കും. അത് ഒഴിച്ചിട്ട് കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നതിനാണ് എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്, യു ആയിട്ടും വി ആയിട്ടും വാല്യൂ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഇതാ ഇതുപോലെ നോക്കുക. ദെൻ ഹൗ ടു സ്റ്റാർട്ട്? വി ജസ്റ്റ് റീഅറേഞ്ച് ദ ഇക്വേഷൻ 1 by that we just write. Therefore 1 into 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 into 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. And the second one we are writing like this, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, then what is next? Next, we choose the value of u as 1 by 3x plus y and the value of v as 1 by 3x minus 1. Okay, so next let u is equal to 1 by 3x plus y and v is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. Okay, then how do we change the equation? So 1 into u, correct, 1 into u is u, plus 1 into v, correct, 1 into v is v, is equal to 3 by 4. Then 1 by 2 into u plus, not plus, minus 1 by 2 v is equal to minus 1 by 8, correct. So in the second one we just rearranging like this, the denominator is same in the both cases, correct. So we write it like this, therefore u minus v by 2 is equal to minus 1 by, this is in equation 1, minus 1 by 8, therefore u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 8, then we transposing by 2, that time is into 2, then what we get? 4. So u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4, equation 2. Okay, it's not necessary to do this like, but is better the coefficient as a fractional form, then sometimes we have some difficulty to do the subtraction or addition. Okay, that is why making the coefficient also a proper number, a whole number. Clear? If you to use this same idea, you make here is equation 2, then also is possible to do the work. Why we doing like this? Because if we sometimes we feel if we keep the denominator as a fraction, okay, the addition and subtraction difficult. Okay, for to avoid to make the work as easy, we keep it like this. Okay, it's not necessary. The next, what is next? We write the equation 1, u plus v is equal to 3 by 4, equation 1. What is equation 2? u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4, equation 2, correct. Then here is possible to eliminate the variable u, the term with u and the variable v, correct. So I think the better to avoid the variable b because the both sign are different, so adding equation 1 and 2, then 1 plus 2 implies u is equal to 2u is equal to, that here 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4, denominator is same, so 3 plus minus 1 by 4, what is 3 plus minus 1 is 2, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, correct. So what is 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore u is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 2, that is in the form of a by b divided by c, correct. A fraction divided by a whole number, then what is the equation? A by b divided by c is equal to a by b into c, correct. A by b into c, then is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So we got the value of u is equal to 1 by 4. Next we substitute this value in equation 1. 1 by 4 plus v is equal to 3 by 4. V is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So the value of U is equal to 1 by 4 and value of V is equal to 1 by 2. Now we got it the value of U and V. Then as usual, what is next? Next we substitute instead of U as 1 by 4 and V as 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 3x plus y. Then cross multiplication, 3x plus y is equal to 4. Correct? That is equation 3. The next V, what is V? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. Cross multiplication, what do you get? 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation 4. Then now again we got it the two equations. What are they? The equations are 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. So once again we use the elimination method. Then what are they? 3x plus y is equal to 4, equation 3. 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation 4. So here also the coefficient of x and y are equal, but the sign of y are different. So I eliminating y, for that adding equation 3 and 4. Then equation 3 plus 4 implies 3x plus 3x, 6x. Y term is 0, then 4 plus 2, 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Correct? The next, substitute is equal to 1 in 3. Therefore 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? That's also 1. Correct? So therefore the solution is, what is the solution? 1, 1. Okay. Now we got it the value of x is equal to 1 and the y of y is also 1. I think you got it the idea. Only the difference, this question we use the elimination method 2 times. Clear? We go to the next question. The question is like this. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Correct? This type of question is also an important. Then what is the question? ഒരു ബോട്ട് രണ്ട് കേസാണുള്ളത് ഇവിടെ അല്ലേ. എന്താണ് രണ്ട് കേസ്? ആദ്യത്തെ കേസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ബോട്ട് 30 കിലോമീറ്റർ മുകളിലേക്കും 44 കിലോമീറ്റർ താഴത്തേക്കും വരാനെടുക്കുന്ന ടോട്ടൽ എടുക്കുന്ന ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 10 മണിക്കൂറാണെങ്കിൽ 40 കിലോമീറ്റർ മുകളിലേക്കും 55 കിലോമീറ്റർ താഴത്തേക്കും വരാൻ അത് എത്ര മണിക്കൂറാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്? 13 മണിക്കൂറാണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം? ദ സ്പീഡ് ഓഫ് ദി സ്ട്രീം, ഒഴുക്കിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. അതുപോലെ ദ സ്പീഡ് ഓഫ് ദി ബോട്ടിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ എപ്പോഴും ഓർത്ത് വെക്കേണ്ടത്, നല്ല ഒഴുക്ക് ഉള്ള ഒരു റിവറിൽ ഓക്കെ നമ്മൾ മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ, നമുക്ക് മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകണമെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അതിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? നമ്മളതിനെ എന്ത് ഡിഫൻസ് ചെയ്യും? പ്രതിരോധിക്കും. ആ മുകളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഒഴുക്ക് പ്രതിരോധിക്കും അല്ലേ. നമ്മൾ ഒരു ഒഴുകുന്ന വെള്ളത്തിൽ മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പം നമുക്ക് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകണമെങ്കിൽ അതിനേക്കാൾ സ്പീഡ് ഉണ്ടാവണം. കറക്റ്റ്? നമ്മൾ താഴത്തോട്ടാണ് വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ വരുന്നതിനെ ഏതും കൂടെ ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യും. ഒഴുക്കും കൂടി നമ്മളെ സഹായിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മളിങ്ങോട്ട് ഫോഴ്സ് ചെയ്യും വരാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്, നമ്മളെ സഹായിക്കും അത്. ക്ലിയർ? ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് if he goes the upstream, the speed of the boat is more than the speed of the stream. Okay, but if we move to the downstream, താഴത്തോട്ടാണ് വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ the total speed is the speed of boat and speed of water, means speed of stream. താഴത്തോട്ട് വരുമ്പോഴുള്ള നമ്മളുടെ സ്പീഡെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതൊക്കെ ചേർന്നതായിരിക്കും? വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡും പിന്നെ ബോട്ടിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡും രണ്ടും കൂടി ആകുമ്പം നമ്മൾ കുറച്ചും കൂടി വേഗത്തിലെത്തും. താഴത്തോട്ട് വരുന്നത് വേഗത്തിൽ വരും. ഒഴുക്കിനെതിരെ പോകുമ്പം നമ്മൾ പോകേണ്ട സ്പീഡ് ആ വരുന്ന സ്പീഡിനേക്കാൾ, വെള്ളം വരുന്ന സ്പീഡിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലും എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്കത് കടന്നിട്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. താഴത്തേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അത്ര ഫോഴ്സിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഉണ്ടോ? താഴത്തേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ താഴത്തോട്ട് വരാൻ ഏതും കൂടി നമ്മളെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യും, ആ ഒഴുക്കും കൂടി നമ്മളെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. Okay, so if we need to move the upstream, always the boat speed is more than speed of the stream. Okay, if we go the downstream, the speed is the speed of stream and speed of boat. Clear? So we starting the question like this. Is an idea, don't forget this idea. Okay, then we starting like this. Speed of stream is equal to x, speed of boat is equal to y. Okay, the next, if we goes the upstream, what is the speed? The speed to move, speed to goes upstream is equal to, what is the speed to goes upstream? Which one is greater? നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ, ഒഴുക്കിനെതിരെ പോകുമ്പോൾ ഏതിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡായിരിക്കണം കൂടുതൽ? y, ബോട്ടിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡായിരിക്കണം കൂടുതൽ. ഏതിനേക്കാൾ? സ്ട്രീമിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡിനേക്കാൾ. സോ ഈ ദ സ്പീഡ് ടു ഗോസ് അപ്സ്ട്രീം ഈസ് y മൈനസ് എക്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ദ സ്പീഡ് ടു ഗോസ് ഡൗൺ സ്ട്രീം ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എക്സ് പ്ലസ് വൈ. താഴത്തോട്ട് വരുന്ന സ്പീഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതൊക്കെ ചേർന്നതായിരിക്കും? ഒഴുക്കിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡും ബോട്ടിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡും കൂടെ ചേർന്നതാണ് താഴത്തോട്ട് വരുന്ന സ്പീഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ വിചാരിക്കുന്നു നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാകും എന്നുള്ളത്. Then we have the two cases. What is the first case? The first case is case 1. The boat goes how many kilometer upstream? 30 kilometer. What is the distance to cover downstream? 44 kilometer. What is the total time? 10 hours. Correct? Then the speed is y minus x to move upstream, and speed is goes the downstream is x plus y. The distance is 44. The total time taken to move the upstream and downstream is equal to 10. That is total time. Okay, that means the time taken to move upstream and time taken to move downstream, that total is 10. ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞ മനസ്സിലായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് 10 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? നമ്മൾ മുകളിലേക്കും താഴത്തേക്കും വരാനെടുത്ത ടോട്ടൽ ടൈമാണ്. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മുകളിലേക്ക് പോയ സമയവും താഴത്തേക്ക് വന്ന സമയവും തമ്മിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്തതാണ് എത്ര? 10. Then we know what is the distance to cover the upstream is 30 kilometer. Case first, the distance covered to upstream is equal to 30 kilometer. Then what is the speed? The speed to goes upstream is equal to y minus x. Then how do we find the time? We know we have the relation between speed, distance and time. Correct? What is the relation of speed, distance and time? Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So we know now the distance and speed. Then how do we find the time? Yes, the time is distance by speed. Correct? The time is distance by speed. So the next we finding like this. Therefore the time move upstream, the distance 30 by the speed. What is the speed taken to upstream? That is y minus x. This one is t1. Okay, t1 time 1 is equal to 30 by y minus x. Okay, then distance covered to downstream is equal to 44 kilometer. For the time taken to goes downstream is equal to, we denoting t2. Okay, is equal to 44 by x plus y. Okay, then what is the total time? Time is equal to hours. Therefore, what is total time? T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2 is equal to 10. What is T1? 30 by y minus x plus 44 by x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, so we keep it this one here. Then what is next? Next we starting the second case, case 2. The second case, what is the total time? Total time is 13. 13 means time taken to move upstream plus the time taken to move downstream, as like this. Okay, then the speed, there is no change. The speed goes to upstream and speed goes to downstream, only the changes the distance, correct? Then what is the distance covered in upstream? That is 40 kilometer. The distance cover to upstream is equal to 40 kilometer. Therefore, the T1 means the time taken to move upstream. Okay, we shortly to write T1 is equal to 40 by y minus x. Distance cover to downstream is equal to 55. Therefore, T2, why we use the T2? Because we here is denoting the T2 is the time taken to goes downstream. Okay, therefore T2 is equal to 5 divided by the speed is x plus y. The total time is 13. Therefore 40 by y minus x plus 55 by x plus y is equal to 13. Okay, that we here we use the equation 1, here is equation 2. So we are writing equation 1 and 2 near. Okay, the next one we write the equation 1 the near of equation 2. 30 by y minus x plus 44 by x plus y is equal to 10. Equation 1. So next we know that we need to rearrange this, correct? How to? Therefore 40 into y by y 1 by y minus x plus 55 into 1 by x plus y is equal to 13, correct? Then 30 into 1 by y minus x plus 44 into 1 by x plus y is equal to 10. Then after we know what is the next, we choose the value of u as y 1 by y minus x and v as 1 by x plus y. Okay, as usual. Therefore, let u is equal to 1 by y minus x, comma v is equal to 1 by x plus y. Then how to change? Therefore 40u plus 55v is equal to 13, equation 3. 30u plus 44v is equal to 10, equation 4. Okay, the next we need to equalize the coefficient of u and v, correct? Any one of these, otherwise it's not possible to eliminate. I think the better to equalize the coefficient of u. So to equalize the coefficient of u, I am multiplying equation 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 4. Okay, then what is the next? The next 3 into 3 implies, then 40 into 3 120, u 35 into 3 is 165, correct? 5v, and 30 into 3 is 39, equation 5. 4 into 4 implies 120u plus 4 into 4 is 176, correct? 176b Then 10 into 4 is 40. Equation 6. Then now the coefficient of u as equal there, correct? So next we remove the coefficient, the term with u. For that we add or subtract. Then we subtracting here because the sign is equal, correct? Then 5 minus 6 implies 120u minus 120u is 0. 165v minus 176v minus 11v, 39 minus 40 is minus 1. Therefore, v is equal to minus 1 by minus 11 is equal to 1 by 11. So, the value of v is equal to 1 by 11. Correct? Therefore, v is equal to minus 1 by minus 11 is equal to 1 by 11. So, next we substitute the value of v in equation. I substituting here equation 3. Therefore, plus 50 into 1 by 11 is equal to 30. Then we cancel 5 times. Then 40u is equal to 13 minus 5. Okay, and is 8. Therefore, u is equal to 8 by 40. Is possible to reduce, that one is 1 by 5. Correct? 1 by 5. Now we got the value of u and v. U is equal to 1 by 5 and v is equal to 1 by 11. The next, know what is u? U is 1 by x. Correct? Therefore, 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by y minus x. Then cross multiplication, y minus x is equal to 5. Equation 7. Then what is v? V is equal to 1 by x plus y. Therefore, 1 by 11 is equal to 1 by x plus y. Okay. Then cross multiplication, x plus y is equal to 11. Equation 8. So, again we apply the elimination rule. For that we just rearrange the equation as like this: minus x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. For to get the coefficient as first, x as first, okay, coefficient of x as first, we just rearrange. Minus x plus y is equal to 5. Now the coefficient of x and y are equal, but the coefficient of the sign of the coefficient of x are different. So we adding equation 8 and 7. Then 8 plus 7 is equal to this 0 to y is equal to 16. Y is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Then we substitute 8. Okay, not 1 and 2. We substituting y is equal to 8 in 8 or 7. Okay, then I substituting in 8. Then what is the changes? Therefore, x plus 8 is equal to 11. X is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to minus 8 is equal to 3. Okay. Then what is x and what is y? X is the speed of the stream and y is the speed of the boat. Correct? The speed of the stream is less than the speed of the boat. Then our answer is correct. Okay. എപ്പോഴും കിട്ടേണ്ടത് സ്ട്രീമിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡിനേക്കാൾ കുറവായിരിക്കണം? ബോട്ടിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡിനേക്കാൾ കുറവായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ therefore the speed is equal to meter per hour. Speed 8 kilometer per hour. Okay. This type question is a lengthy one. I think you got the idea.